Welcome home, everyone. We are talking about affordable housing while living here in America. And we know the rent is too doggone high. And that's why we have this segment. Today, we are going to talk about 3 states that will pay you to move there. That's right. They want your talent. They want your families. They want you to help build their communities. They want you inside of their communities. And they are offering incentives, guys, for you to do just that. And that very first place is Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Guys, it is just 30 minutes outside from Iowa City and the City University of Iowa. All right? Just outside Iowa City, guys. It is a throwback into simpler times, is what they say. It is family friendly. It's a region that offers a mix of safety, connection, and opportunity. What they are actually offering over there is an $8,750 incentive. We're going to say yay for that. So the relocation incentive, the actual cash part, they will give you $5,000. And then the other bonuses will give you a $50 gift card to their City Walk Eatery. They're going to give away 5 tickets to use at Cedar Rapids Colonels baseball games. You're going to be able to explore the outdoors with Parks and Recreation vouchers. And you're going to get connected to the community with a free Economic Alliance membership. You're going to get a Big Grove Brewery welcome pack, and you're going to get a free home appraisal with financing. And they're going to give you 1% down program if you qualify for housing, if you are looking for housing over there. You will also get golf. You will get 2 hours of free golf, state of the art at their golf simulators, and they're also offering 6 months of free co-working space at the Armstrong Hub, guys. A lot of these communities are offering that co-working space so you can have somewhere to work, study, all of that. So they will give you that and a 20 free day pass to Vault co-working space in the Nubo district as well. It totals up to about $8,750 in incentives. What you want to do is go over to their state website and call around and ask about that. All right, next up, Macon, Georgia, guys. Macon, Georgia. We love Georgia. We love it. All right, so they are offering $2,500 cash for relocation. Their program is called Choose Macon, so that's where you want to Google. You want to contact Choose Macon or look for that program, actually. They will give you 3 months co-working membership at the office through Newtown Macon. They will also give you savings on moving services with 2 men and a truck. Yes, and Trading Post Moving Company. They also have housing incentives through Newtown Macon Properties, where you can get 50% off, guys. Security deposit of properties there, all right? New Cox Internet customers will receive a complimentary speed boost to the next available internet speed tier for 12 months, they say. A 6-month downtown garage parking pass. Oh my gosh. Gift cards to local favorites like Amanda Jane Salon, New Way Winers, and Baldina's. Discounted tickets to attractions like Bragg Jam and the Piedmont Grand Opera House. Oh my gosh, the Opera House, I would love that. 3-month fitness family membership trials, new patient waivers at Total Health Chiropractic, school tour opportunities and fee waivers at Mount DeSales and St. Peter Claver. So if you have children and you want to put them into the private schools over there. They also have free budgeting consultations. Also 15% discounts at Macon Hilton Garden Inn. Soul Sights tours over there, guys. You get free beer from the Fall Line Brewing Company and also other area connection events. You get tickets over there, guys. moving and delivery, 10% off professional packing and moving services. And Riverside Storage over there is offering 50% off select units for up to 3 months. And you get 1 month free trial to Rhythm and Rally Indoor Pickleball. And guess what? Free coffee with the mayor. Total incentive $7,325. So go over there to Choose Macon. That is the name of the program, and get yourselves that $2,500 cash for relocation if you are considering Georgia. Anyways, it's your place to move. Or hey, this is a nice thought. If you were looking somewhere down in the South, hey, $2,500 and then a lot of these incentives. All right, so next up we have Michigan. Also in West Michigan, guys, they want to have you come over there. They are looking for remote workers. All right, they are going to offer legal assistance for international students, all right, who are working toward permanent residency. They have something for burial, removal of rent or down payment assistance, student loan forgiveness, transportation, child care, and other job readiness needs. So they will help support you over there. They will give you career coaching and help navigate re-entry into your trained profession, including support for re-credentialing. All right. Also, upskilling guidance and access to employer-sponsored training programs, training opportunities such as English as a second language, on-the-job training, classroom instruction, industry-recognized certification in high-demand fields like healthcare, IT, construction, and advanced manufacturing, and resource navigation to connect you with community services and support systems. Also, this totals up to $5,000 in incentives and will also help you with $15,000 down payment on a home if you are looking for that. All right. So what you want to do is go over to movetomichigan.org. That is movetomichigan.org. Guys, that wraps it up for our 3 states. If you are looking for affordable housing, if you're looking for low-income housing, if you're looking for Section 8, if you're just looking for ideas and inspiration about affordable housing, we talk affordable housing here on Sundays and Mondays on this channel. There are other things on this channel because it is called Creative Living, guys. It is all about our home, our well-being, right? Our physical home that we reside in and coming home to ourselves. But if you want to stay alerted, please become a subscriber. Also, like the video. By liking the video, we hope that it spreads to others who need to hear this message. And make sure that you share this video out. Let others know that this channel is here because we give out a lot of cool information that will really help you in your lives. All right. I will see you again on Sunday and Monday, guys. I love you so much. I want you to be well and be safe out there. All right. I'll talk to you soon.